Hello everyone. Welcome to a new playlist on my YouTube channel on financial accounting. This is a textbook which I was recently going through, and I thought it's a little bit interesting. I usually make videos on electrical engineering, but then I thought being an engineer also just doesn't restrict you to only engineering subjects. In fact you should learn several other subjects, such as accounting and more importantly this financial accounting subject. And you can see the title of the book, and this is by Wheelie Publications. And I was going through some of the things in this interesting stuff in this. I'll and also, to tell you the truth, one of my subscriber has requested me to make some lectures on accounting. Uh, so, as per the request of that uh, subscriber, I am making this playlist, and hopefully this will be useful. And if you are an electrical engineer or any engineer and you are not from the accounting and finance background, definitely this playlist will be recommended for you, because an engineer should have some background of finance and accounting. It will be very useful. Now, what I'm showing here is I'll show more clear pictures later, or you can simply search, cycle of accounting or accounting cycle. Accounting cycle, this is like a cycle here, you can see. Starts with analyzing the transactions, then journalizing the transactions, posting to ledger accounts, preparing a trial balance, journalizing the post and adjusting entries, that is deferrals and accruals, then preparing a adjusted trial balance, preparing financial statements such as income statement, retained earning statement and balance sheet, and finally journalizing the closing entries, and finally post closing trial balance. So these are the 9 steps that are involved in one particular accounting cycle. By accounting cycle I mean, if a company is publishing or preparing these financial statements, it will be in a cyclic thing. So every 1 year they do it, or every 6 months, or even every quarter, this cycle can be done. So I'll be explaining this cycle. So let me try to show it more clearly. So now we'll go one by one. These things we will. The way I want to teach this playlist is slightly different. I'm assuming that theory part is already, the students are a little bit aware, but they're not aware. They're not strong at solving example problems. So I will explain how completely through lot of example problems. So for example, each step, so maybe we'll take 2 or 3 problems and keep one by one, step by step we go. So chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, things like that. And we'll try to learn this accounting cycle. Okay, so this you can say playlist of accounting cycles. Okay. So this is the introduction video. In the next video, we will right away start by solving one practice problem, and I will not cover any theory in this, but then through practical orientation, through solving problems, you will be learning this thing. So with this brief introduction to the playlist, let's begin. Let's go to the next video. And if you have any suggestions, any queries or any doubts, please feel free to contact me. So once again, this is a book. I mean, any accounting book has a lot of details like this, but for the time being, I am using this book, Financial Accounting, by Kimmel, Weigand and Kiso. This is 7th edition, and this is from Wheelie Publications. So this is not just this. You pick up any financial accounting book, you will find the similar chapters. So in the initial part of this book, you will find this accounting cycle. So my objective for this playlist is to teach you accounting cycle. There are going to be at least 10 problems I'm going to solve. So, and each one will be detailed one. So hopefully this will be useful, and please give your support and comments and suggestions if you have. See you in the next video.